Hi everyone, today I'm opening a SKETCHBOX Grab Bag. It's the small one. It costs $15 and I think it has $4 shipping cost. I like to get those once in a while because they're usually pretty cheap. And what's inside is, well, they claim there's about $20 worth of supplies in it. And it's basically leftover from past boxes. So if you're subscribed to SKETCHBOX, you'll have all repeats basically because these items will have been sent in your previous boxes already. I don't have a subscription, so I like to get these from time to time, maybe once a year or every other year, something like that, just to see what I get. So let's see what's in this one. And we will start with a Spectrum Noir Aquatint. It's a water reactive brush pen and it's in pink champagne. I wonder if it's like the Wink of Luna type of brush pen. It looks a lot like it for sure. Yeah, I think that's what it is. So there's ink in there. This color, most likely. It's really pretty color. Is Ig Art and Graphic Twin Real Brush and Felt. So it's two-sided and you have a real brush nib on this end and a fine felt nib on this end. And this color is purple. And here is a style file marker, double-ended with a brush and a chisel nib. And this is in Cool Gray 6. A Tombow. Oh, I think I already have one of those. Fudenosuke or something like that. It says a calligraphy pen. I'm guessing this is calligraphy help. Maybe you write in here or something. So you have a very, very fine nib and a brush nib. They're probably Fude ones and they're probably flexible. So when I say brush nib, it's I think they're both brush nibs, very, very fine ones. Oops. Yeah, it's flexible, see? Oh, no, it's gray. The other one is gray. They're both, I guess they're both the same size. Except one is gray and one is black. Ooh, nice. Maybe thus the color of the caps. Another alcohol-based markers, the same one. And this one is, what is it? Oh, that's right. Yellow ochre. A Color marker, also alcohol-based. I have one or two of these already. This is flesh color. Nice. See, the problem I think with the Color markers is that it's blue here. I think all of them are blue. But oh, you see in the end here, flesh color. So you have a chisel nib and a fine felt nib. still stuff in there. A Pentile Art Hybrid Technica. I have the whole set, I think. All the different sizes. This one is a 03. These are great. I don't think they're waterproof, but they are light fast, if I'm not mistaken. And a Copic drawing pen. Nice. It's black. See, the problem with these is that the ink flow is not the best, so it has very mixed reviews. I like them. I have one in black and one in sepia, but they work well for a little bit and then they stop working and then they work great again. So it's really too bad because they could be a really good supply. The ink is Copic proof, but this is a disposable fountain pen. What is this here? Oh, how cute! A tiny little Sketchbox sticker. This is really cute. I like that. So, I think I kind of got a great deal here. Look at this. I got all of this for 15 bucks. $19 with shipping. It arrived really fast. I think I placed the order just a few days ago and it's here, and there was 2 days worth of weekend. So pretty happy. I like all of these. The only thing that I already had were these, but I didn't have this color, so I'm just going to say these. So yeah, neat. Thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.